Hey everybody, how are you today? Happy Thursday. So today I decided to run through Wendy's and I got their biggie bag for $5. Let's go ahead and get a quick little thumbnail. Okay, so today I'm trying, I know it's not new, but it's new for me. I've never had or tried the ghost pepper ranch sauce. And then I got their 4 nuggets, so we're gonna go ahead and dive into those. I got kind of an array of things today that comes in that $5 biggie bag. So I was watching a video this morning and he's like talking about Wendy's Frosties, and I'm like, well, yeah, I haven't had one of those in a while. Let's go ahead and get the first dip. Have you had this sauce before? You like it? Ooh, got a little kick to it, yeah? It was good. I like it. Again, this is the ghost pepper ranch. And I also got a little small fry. It was so awesome today. Well, he couldn't do it, but so I typically do like the mobile apps for my food and order. And obviously, you usually just pay for it through the app. And I guess the guy in front of me, the lady in front of him paid for his food, and he wanted to pay for mine. And the lady at the drive-thru was like, "It's already paid for." I'm like, oh, that's so awesome. I need to start doing that. I've always wanted to, and I always forget. But I love when people pay it forward. Do you guys pay it forward often? Or have you ever, or have you had your stuff paid for you? I'm gonna start doing that if I can ever remember. But yeah, he wanted to pay and I had already paid for it. Today is such an amazing day outside. Oh, I ordered my tray today for my car mukbangs. I'm so excited. So that should be here mid next week. So it'll be so much easier. So nice out today. It's 83, pretty perfect day today. I like this sauce, it's pretty good. It's so perfect out. Getting a little too hot to walk at the park though. So I've been doing the park and the gym back and forth. What do you guys get when you go to Wendy's? What's your favorite order? My last one. I only got a 4-piece. The little breakfast biscuits are $1 right now. Not a bad deal. Last one to dunk. Got a little kick to it. But I like heat that makes sense. And that tastes good. I also got their Frosty. That I need to drink before I die. You guys like vanilla Frosties or chocolate Frosties? I never had their vanilla. Trying to take me out though. Take me out on a Thursday. Oh Lord. I don't typically like ice cream much. I'm not a sweets person, but this just sounded really good. Especially on a hot day in Florida. It cannot go wrong. And then of course, This is something you gotta do when you get a Frosty. I don't know why that tastes so good. I guess it's because sweet and salty stuff. So good. What's your favorite weird combination of foods? I know everybody has them. Even though this isn't weird, it's pretty typical. If you wouldn't mind to subscribe to my channel. Really trying to grow because I'm trying just to be a positive influencer on YouTube. Just a safe place for people to come, enjoy some food, have random conversations. Alright, so I decided with their $5 biggie pack to get their JBC, Junior Bacon Cheeseburger. Pretty typical sandwich. I don't even remember the last time I had a JBC in my life. It's been a long while. I lost my napkin. Now you guys love mukbangers that never have a drink, never have a napkin, never have utensils. I'm like, how do you not have all that already set up? Oh, JBC be hitting though. He's good. I can't wait to get the tray because it should sit about right here or so, and you can see all the food. All right, let's get into some would you rather. Never sing again, or would you rather never dance again? Back in my younger days, I might have danced a little bit. Well, actually, we went to the club a lot. But I love just randomly singing. Makes you feel better. Being around the house singing, cleaning, annoying the boyfriends or the girlfriends. Remember back in the day, we used to go to the club all the time. In Ohio, there was a club you can get in at 16. Put the X's on your hands. Remember those days? You're under the age, you can't drink. And you go to the bathroom and you rub it off. Made total sense. But I love just dancing and having fun and cutting up. You gotta be out here enjoying your life. As long as you're having fun doing it, it don't matter how stupid you look to other people. So juicy. Alright, would you rather sniff butts of new people you met or eat dog food for dinner? Well, I thought about this question. I feel like smelling something lingers on a lot less time than tasting something. So I feel like I'd rather sniff the butts of new people I meet than have to eat dog food for an extended period of time. Because sniffing won't go away. That good old JBC. I couldn't imagine eating dog food or cat food or Ugh, no thank you. It just stinks. Another question is, would you rather be caught looking at adult-only stuff by your parents or by your boss? I can clearly say I'd rather get caught by my parents than my boss. My parents are so laid back and cool. There ain't nothing they never did. So they don't judge nobody for nothing. If they walked in on me, they probably awkwardly be like, "Can I see that?" No, get out. You guys have that? You have cool parents that'll, you know, they don't judge you for what you say or do. But my boss, I don't know, I just got a new boss, so who knows how she'll be. But I don't feel like seeing her every day for all day. Knowing she doesn't walked in on me looking at something like that. And this is so good. I'll go get you a Frosty. Can't beat all this food for $5. Got a last bite of the JBC. I've got little sandwiches. I ain't had one in years. And next, what would you rather do? Live next to a house and next to a huge stadium, or a party house? So a huge like football stadium or baseball stadium, or next to a party house. They did it every night. I'll probably live next to a stadium because, you know, there's an end and a beginning time of all the noise and drunk people. Plus, I love sports, so I wouldn't mind catching it. I couldn't live next to people that were loud and obnoxious and loud ass music and banging on doors and banging on walls. I couldn't do it. We'd be having a discussion every night. You guys do this, dip your fries in your Frosty? I often wonder how many people see me do these mukbangs. Like, what the hell is this girl doing? So I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Today's Thursday. This weekend, going to a minor league baseball game. So excited. I love going to them. They're so much fun. We travel and we go to different ones. I wanted to spill in my car. What are you guys doing this weekend? Having fun, getting out? You got to. You got to have fun in life. Stuff melts fast down here in Florida. All right, the final question is, oh no, that was all. It's the only ones I wrote down. Thankfully my phone did not die this time. overheat. It overheated my last one. At least I got through the fries before it overheated. Alright, I think I'm about to wrap it up here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, I would so appreciate it. I hope you guys just continue to be happy and positive, uplifting each other and encouraging everybody you come in contact with. Maybe even pay it forward this week yourself for somebody. So the next video, I hope you guys stay blessed.